Thanking Arunil, Shivani as well as Rakesh for joining us with all those inputs. This remains a top focus story on Times Now and we continue getting you details of the investigations. For the moment, let's shift our attention now. High drama played out at the two border points between Punjab and Haryana, where farmers have been staging protests for over a year over their demands. And the Punjab police started evicting the protesting farmers from Shambhu and Kanari that have been closed due to the Kisan blockade. The police personnel demanded tents being removed, camps being bulldozed and also being set up at these protest sites. Now, these protesting farmers, led by the Samyukt Kisan Morcha and the Kisan Mazdoor Morcha, have been camping at these two border points between Punjab and Haryana since the 13th of February last year, when their march to Delhi was thwarted by the security forces. At least 50 Kisan leaders have also been detained in the exercise to remove temporary structures to clear the border blockade.
शंभू बॉर्डर पे जो काफ़ी देर से किसानों का धरना चल रहा था, उसमें आज ड्यूटी मजिस्ट्रेट्स की प्रेजेंस में पुलिस की तरफ से क्लियर करवाया गया है। आफ्टर गिविंग प्रॉपर वार्निंग इनको दी गई थी और उसके बाद ये सारा क्लियर करवाया गया है। कुछ लोगों ने अपनी विलिंगनेस दी थी कि हम घर जाना चाहते हैं, तो उनको बसेस में बिठा के घर भेजा गया और इन एडिशन जो यहाँ पे स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं और व्हीकल्स हैं उनको मूव करा जा रहा है। पूरी रोड बिल्कुल क्लियर की जाएगी और ट्रैफिक के लिए ओपन करी जाएगी। हरियाणा पुलिस वाले भी साथ ही अपनी कार्रवाई शुरू कर देंगे और उनकी तरफ से ही डील है। जब उनकी तरफ से खुलेगा तो ये हाईवे चल पड़ेगी। हमें कोई यूज़ ऑफ फोर्स नहीं करनी पड़ी, कोई रेजिस्टेंस नहीं था। बहुत अच्छी तरह से किसानों ने कोऑपरेट करा है और खुद ही वो बसेस में बैठ के थे।
Right now I'm present at the Shambhu border of Punjab, and behind me in the visuals you can see that after the long wait of around 13 months, Punjab police has started reopening the Shambhu border between Haryana and Punjab. Farmers protesting at the site are being evicted and have been evicted, and the makeshift sheds that had been built are being demolished using the bulldozers. In the visuals you can see that various bulldozers have reached there and they are demolishing the structures, the makeshift structures which were made by the farmers over here. Meanwhile, a heavy police deployment has already been deployed at the Kanari border as well, and right now in the Shambhu border also you can see that the heavy police deployment has been made, and the Punjab police has asked the farmers to vacate the area voluntarily. Earlier, the 7th round of the talks between the protesting farmers at the Shambhu and Kanari border and the central government remain unconclusive. On Wednesday, the meeting lasted from around 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. and the meeting was attended by the farmers' leaders along with the Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Piyush Goyal and Prahlad Joshi. After the meeting, Swan Pandher, the convener of the Kisan Mazdoor Morcha KM, and Jagjit Dalewal of the Samyukt Kisan Morcha non-political were taken into custody.
So amidst this amped up security at the border, several former leaders including Sarwan Singh Pandher as well as Jagjit Singh Dalewal were also detained in Mohali while returning from a meeting with the central delegation. In fact, former leaders say that their peers were detained in Mohali while they were headed to the Shambhu Kanari protest site after meeting with the delegation that was led by the Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan.
डिटेन ਅਪਰੋਕਸੀਮੇਟਲੀ 50 ਦੇ ਕਰੀਬ ਦੀ ਫਿਗਰ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ। ਬਾਕੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਵੀ ਕਈ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਵੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਘਰ ਭੇਜ ਦਿਓ। ਸੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵਾਹੀਕਲਸ ਦਾ ਜਾਂ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਟਰਾਂਸਪੋਰਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਦਾ ਇੰਤਜ਼ਾਮ ਕਰਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਭੇਜ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਜਾਊ। ਜਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਵੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਟਰਾਲੀਆਂ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਰਿਮੂਵ ਕਰਕੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਡਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਵਾਲਾ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਇਹ ਦੋਵੇਂ ਸਾਈਡਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਟੋਟਲ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ।
We are breaking updates now coming in. Kisan Mazdoor Morcha and Samyukt Kisan Morcha have announced the dharna will be staged. They have announced that they will be staging dharnas at district collector offices across the country today in protest against the arrest of the farmer leaders and thousands of farmers by the Punjab police in connivance, they say, with the Punjab government and the central government. So the removal of the farmers from Shambhu and Kanari fronts has led to this reaction coming in from the farmers. My colleague Shivam is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Shivam, big protest expected today. What's happening on ground?
Well, Pratibha, yes, a lot of farmer leaders have, the leftover farmer leaders have claimed that they will be doing protests outside the Deputy Commissioner's office across the nation. But for now in the Shambhu border, it seems like the administration is in no mood to slow down. You can see right now the JCB is on the field. Now it is basically clearing this entire stretch. Remember earlier, basically last night, when this entire area was demolished, when those makeshift huts, makeshift shelters were demolished, they were lying on the roads only. The police gave a certain time to the farmers to take their necessary items, as there was a lot of eateries, a lot of useful items. But when no farmers showed up, so now from 9 in the morning they have started to clear this entire stretch. This is a very important stretch as it connects the Punjab to Haryana and then to the national capital. We have seen how a mini village sort of a thing developed over the year and last year, but now you can see JCB is in full work, and the leftover items, the iron poles or something which is useful, is now being put up and is being loaded in the tractors as well. So this is so far the situation here from the Shambhu border, that now the cleaning process has started. I would also urge my camera person to pan on the opposite side. Now remember, this is the place where the permanent iron stage used to be placed. The 20 feet tall stage used to be placed, but now the entire area is clean, and the leftover, the debris, the tin sheets, the iron sheets have been thrown on the outside of this stretch to clear this particular stretch. So it shows that the Punjab administration is in full mood to open this highway as soon as possible, as they don't want to leave any stones unturned on this particular stretch. So far, this is a situation here that yes, they have tried to open, to basically clean everything, all the head offices that were made here, be it of servants, Mr. Pandey, all of these things have been cleared. So far, this is the progress from the particular field. Back to you.
Okay, all right. Shivam, thank you for joining us with those details. Let's also tell our viewers what the situation is on ground. So now security personnel have been deployed. In fact, the crackdown has united all the opposition parties in Punjab. The Union Minister Ravneet Bittu has strongly condemned the detention of the farmer leaders, alleging that the Aam Aadmi Party government in Punjab was trying to sabotage talks between the centre and the farmers, and pointed at the presence of Arvind Kejriwal in the state for the last 3 days. The ex-Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi has also accused the Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann of working in collusion with the Union Home Minister Amit Shah to act against the protesting farmers, while the Congress party is equating Kejriwal's party with the BJP, calling them both anti-farmer and dictatorial.
शिवराज चौहान जी, पीयूष जी, जोशी जी, 3 कैबिनेट एडे बड़े मिनिस्टर गलबात भी सिरे लगे ते अगली डेट दे के आए हैं। इन्हां नूं इह सी भी एक वैस्ट हल्के जितीए, उदों बाद किते सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट किते ये गल खत्म ना कर जे, किते गल नेड़े ना ला जाए। गल क्योंकि मुकदी लगदी सी, गल्लां मंगां पूरीआं हुंदियां दिखदियां सी। इस घबराहट च इन्हां ने भी किते सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ते किसान आपस विच नेड़ता, उत्थों तुसीं सिर्फ सीट जितण खातर अज किसानां नूं तुसीं उन्हां दी।
अरे आम आदमी पार्टी का सीएम तो हमारा इनका तोता बन गया है, उसने तो गोडे टेक दिए हैं। वो तो यहाँ आकर पूरी ब्यूंतबंदी करके गया किसानों के खिलाफ। जितना कुछ हो रहा है वो ही कर रहा है। अपने आप को किसान का पुत्र बताता था, आज उसी पुत्र से किसानों को मरवाया जा रहा है। और इसमें सबसे बड़ा रोल हमारे सीएम का है, जो अमित शाह से मिलकर गए हैं यहाँ। और ये दोनों पार्टियां एक ही थाली के चट्टे बट्टे हैं, इकट्ठे मिलकर कार्रवाई कर रहे हैं।
The Aam Aadmi Party dispensation is defending their actions, citing financial damage to the industries and businesses, and saying that closures were hampering investment in the state. In fact, they say that the fight with the centre should be fought at the Delhi borders, not the Punjab borders.
ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਹੁਣ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਲੜਾਈ ਆ ਉਹ ਕੇਂਦਰ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆ। ਕਿਸਾਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਲੜਾਈ ਕੇਂਦਰ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆ, ਪਰ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀਆਂ 2 ਲਾਈਫ ਲਾਈਨਾਂ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਸਮਝਦਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡਾ ਵਪਾਰ ਚੱਲਦਾ, ਖਾਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਜੇ ਮੈਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂ ਖਨੌਰੀ ਬਾਰਡਰ ਦੀ, ਸ਼ੰਭੂ ਬਾਰਡਰ ਦੀ, ਉਹਨੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਬੁਰੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਪ੍ਰਭਾਵਿਤ ਕੀਤਾ। ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦਾ ਵਪਾਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹਨੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਪਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡੀ ਸੱਟ ਵੱਜੀ ਆ। ਔਰ ਦੂਜੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਮ ਆਦਮੀ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਮਿਟਡ ਆ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਨੌਜਵਾਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰਤੀ, ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਨੌਜਵਾਨ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਰੋਜ਼ਗਾਰ ਦੇਣਾਗਾ। ਰੋਜ਼ਗਾਰ ਤਾਂ ਮਿਲੂਗਾ ਜੇ ਵਪਾਰ ਚੱਲੂਗਾ। ਸੋ ਵਪਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡਾ ਘਾਟਾ ਪੈ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ। ਸੋ ਸਾਰੇ ਹਾਲਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਕਾਰਵਾਈ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਾਰ-ਬਾਰ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਨੇਤਾਵਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਸਮਝਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂਗੇ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਲੜਾਈ ਸੈਂਟਰ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੇਂਦਰ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦੇ ਲੜਾਈ ਲੜੋ, ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਆ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਡਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦਾ ਬਾਰਡਰ ਰੋਕ ਕੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦਾ ਵੱਡਾ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ।
So the Aam Aadmi Party says that it is causing losses to industries and says that the blockade should be at the Delhi borders, not the Punjab borders. But wouldn't the industries in the Delhi region as well suffer these losses? No thought to that. Interesting to ponder about. With that, we're slipping into a very quick break. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with lots more on the other side.